I parked here this day. I parked here this double day. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, you can see here many color combination and different types of 7 toy vehicles really arranged here. All are nice and beautiful models. Now I will hand drive one by one all of these toy vehicles with my hand. First one is here a racing car. Let's go. So friends, I parked here my first vehicle racing car. This is a pink, black and silver color combination. Next one is here a DS Tarzan car. I parked here this DS Tarzan car. This is a blue, yellow, black and silver color combination. Now I will drive this police car. I parked here this police car beside this DS Tarzan car. This is a blue, black and silver color combination. Another one is here a hand car. I also parked here this hand car. This is a pink, blue, red and white color combination. So friends, one by one already 4 vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. And last 3 vehicles here. Now I will drive this first one, double-decker bus. I parked here this double-decker bus. This is paste white and black color combination. Next one is here a police bike with a police. Parked here this police bike with a police. This is a red, white and blue color combination. And here is the last one is a mixer truck. I also drive this one. Let's go. I also parked here my last vehicle mixer truck. This is a realistic model, yellow, white, black and orange color combination. This mixer truck. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. All are serially parked here. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination toy vehicles.
I'll show you who's the fastest!